Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the glucose estimation. So under glucose estimation, we look at the methods. So what are the methods? The first one is the reductometric. So what is meant by the reductometric? So reductometric means the Nelson-Samyogi method. So it includes a Nelson, Samyogi, Somogi method. Next, what is included? Next is the Fallen-Wu method. Then comes the Wu-Toludine method. And next is the enzymatic. So reductometric method, it has three things. There is a Nelson, Samyogi method, the Fallen-Wu method, and the Wu-Toludine method. Now let's look at the enzymatic. So on the enzymatic, there is the hexokinase method. Enzymatic, there is a hexokinase as well as a glucose oxidase peroxidase method. Glucose oxidase peroxidase. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.